1, 2, 3, microphone check. 1, 2, 3, microphone check. One, two, three, microphone check. 1, 2, 3, microphone. Okay. We have sound and it works. All right, few minutes and we can start. Hello guys and welcome to my channel QANSIGLIERE. Today I'm going to implement 2 additional new brilliant ideas for employee tracking system. I call it Eye of God, and this tool allows us to define productivity of teammates. But at the beginning of this implementation, let me remind you guys that you have a great opportunity to ask me any questions directly. To do that, you just need to open my YouTube channel. Click here to get access to all available links and just click on the first link. It will open a window with Google Form where you can write your questions and send them to me. From my side, I'm going to review all your questions and try to answer them in the next video. So let me remind you about Eye of God. This is a tool what allows me to define the productivity of teammates. For implementation, we are going to upload data from 2 sources, from Jira to define number of changed issues and number of created bugs. And also we will work with TestRail to upload number of new created test cases, updated test cases, created test runs, test plans, and other related to any test activity data. After upload, we are going to filter this information and provide numbers, values, and results only for some specific users. But on this week I have additional ideas how we can improve our tool, and we can do it in such way. So when we work with any software project, we work in several places. First of all, we use some ticket management system like Jira, but we create some code. We create automated scripts, we create some applications, some new functions, and for this purpose we use some code management system like GitHub or GitLab. And an idea is to make API integration with GitHub and GitLab and upload information about how many new merge requests were created for selected time range, how many new comments you left or resolve, and so on. So we are going to do the following stuff. We are going to create integration with GitHub. Let me zoom it. Sorry. GitHub and GitLab. So what we are going to upload from GitHub and GitHub, it's a number of created merge requests, and number of comments. What you left during merge request code review for merge request process. And the same information we are going to upload for GitHub. So let's select GitHub data and apply the same stuff for GitLab. So our main idea is to create 2 new additional API integrations. And what we are going to do, first of all, let me correct this scheme. So this part is already implemented in past videos. And right now we need to create GitHub API integration and GitLab. Let's focus today on GitHub API integration. For this purpose, I already prepared some Epic. Let's open it. And as a first goal, let's create some default project. So let's move it in progress. Let's attach to the sprint and we can work. So we need to create a new GitHub project. Let's open GitHub. Let's open my projects, your repositories. Alright, and let's create new project. Let's call it GitHub API integration. Allows you to track, okay. Read API methods for integration with GitHub. Okay, it will be public project. Let's add readme file. For gitignore, let's add any node related files, and license type is MIT. Let's create repository. Okay, it's created. Now next step, let's make few improvements for the project. First of all, let's remove branches when we approved them. Rebase, automatically delete head branches, and let add social preview. What do we have here? Nice. Okay, here we did all changes what we wanted. So let's create a new branch. Let's run GitHub desktop application and clone our project. Clone repository and existing wrong one. And clone repository, and let's find GitHub API integration. Card, file system. Okay, done. What is the next step? Let's create a new branch. So we have a ticket, GS56. So let's apply the same name, publish. Okay. Next one step, let's run our Visual Studio Code. Let's close project. And let's open our new project, GitHub, and it's done. Now we need to create a package JSON file because it will be a JavaScript library. So let's run terminal and write the command npm init. It will create a new package. So how we will call it? Let me check names. Okay, one project and another project. Okay, and also one additional project. Okay, now we have enough data. So let's create the package file. How we will call it? Let's call it QANSIGLIERE GitHub API integration. Done. Version is 001. Done. Description. Let's use description from README file. Done. Let's use index. Let's keep it GitHub repository. Let me find it. Okay. Code copy. Done. Keywords. npm JS API integration GitHub QANSIGLIERE JS. Probably that's it. After done, license MIT, and yep, that's it. Okay, package.json file is created. All right, this one part is completed. So let's add the node. It will be GitHub API integration. Done. Now we need to update README file. So what we will do, let's make a few changes here. So first of all, let's change the name. It will be GitHub API integration. Okay. Now let's put information about after and how you guys can support this project. Now let's provide information about installation. Name is and let's provide information about how users can improve this library, and let's add information about related videos, because I think it will take 1 or 2 videos to make such integration. So let's check our YouTube channel. I think it will take 1 or 2 and let's copy videos to make such integration. So let's check our YouTube channel. I think it will take 1 or 2 and let's copy videos to make such integration. So let's check our YouTube channel. Probably YouTube changed their approach. Take 1 or 2 videos and let's copy videos to make such. Share, copy, and that's it. Okay, done. Now we can save it. Next one step is to add configuration for Prettier to validate our code style. And for this purpose, let's copy Prettier settings. Done. So it's connected and it works. Okay. What else? Let's add information about how you can guys support it. Let's create a folder like not here, but here. Okay, and that's probably it. Okay, done. So the first step we implemented the base setup for the GitHub project, so we can merge it. Let's do it. Let's play a little bit with GitHub MR. What is implemented here? Is it needed? Okay, and finish your review, submit review, done. Now we want to resolve conversation. All right, and let's merge. Done. Let's check it. Okay, not bad, not bad. This one part is done and we can see MR. Great. Next step, we need to define how we can work with GitHub. So from GitHub, we want to upload, wrong field, upload information about all projects, upload information for any specific project, upload information about created merge requests, upload information about comments to merge requests. Okay, now we need to find information about GitHub API. So let's check it. GitHub has very clear documentation and we just need to find about REST API. Okay, about REST API, then application each quick. Let's do it. This requires how quickly you can do blah 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 blah. Token GitHub action scripts use. Let's check information placed in this project. So let's work on another ticket. Let's upload information about merge requests and we can improve our script. Okay, let's make it. Okay, let's change package JSON file. Let's add to git ignore information about environment file. And let's prepare this library for TypeScript, because I think we'll reuse it. Okay, what we could do next? We need to pass authentication somehow, but let's make the library itself. Okay, let's create a file and call it like API integration.js. All right, and here let's create a new class. GitHub API. Model export GitHub API to GitHub API. Done. Now we need to import this library from index.js file. So let's click here and let's add the file index.js. And here we just import our class. Done, and we do model export GitHub. Done. Okay, so what we are going to do in this model. Let's install our library for API requests. I already created one, and it's called QANSIGLIERE Axios Utils. PME. And to work with TypeScript, we will create some .d.ts files. .ts files. Let's install TypeScript. Okay, so it's done. And what is the next step? Let's import our Axios library. So let's do this stuff. All right, and let's copy our constructor. let's create headers. Okay, that should be enough. Let's remove API key for now, and let's create an environment file. New dot github.env. So export GitHub URL is empty, and export GitHub API token. Let's keep it empty. Done, and maybe we can create some demo function just to understand is it work too or not. So let's create a function. Remove me at the end. We do async function API. And what we're going to do, we do let new integration. Let new integration is equal to new GitHub API. Now we say let request is await new integration. Do something. And do console log JSON stringify from request. Alright, right now this method has an issue because we do not know the exact name of the function, but I think we will create something. So let's play now with GitHub API. We have some library OctaKit. It's API client for GitHub. Okay, and we want to get information about projects. Oh, pull requests. Okay, let's check it. We have this project. Okay, we have some example. pull requests, review comments. Wow, probably it's already implemented. Okay, so let's use URL. URL is this one, https api.github.com. Now we need to have auth token. How we can get it? Notification to the REST API. We need to have token, and it should be placed through mirror. Probably already have some solutions for it. Let me check. Let me copy this integration from test rail, but here we will use auth. Token is an empty, and here we do auth token. If it's true, we return auth token, or if it's false, we do process and GitHub auth token. Done. So let's do it here. Now I need to create auth token. How we can do it? You need to provide a notification token will be required to score where you with how to get. You can create a personal access token generated with GitHub app or use a built-in. Okay, I want to create a new one. So probably we do it in settings, API, two-factor, plus keys, no, SSH, no, account, nope. Where is it? Your sponsors, stars, Copilot, projects, profile. Where is it? Sessions, SSH, enterprises, code spaces, Copilot packages, nope. Where is it? Auth token. Okay, maybe it should be created inside of the project. Let's go to home. Let's find GitHub project, settings and tokens, secrets and variables, not exact right stuff. Code security page, code spaces, environment, action rules, tags. Where is notification token? I do not see it. Create new code space, new organization. Nope. Issues, pull requests, and let's try one more time. New sponsor, enterprises, organization, projects, Copilot, repositories, your profile. Let's check maybe profile. No, it's not right. And let's go back to here. Let's search for token. Nope. 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 Okay, probably I found it. Why it's so complicated? I do not understand. Alright, let's go back to our project. Okay guys, if you want to create a new API token for your GitHub project, you need to do the following stuff. Click on your logo, click on settings, navigate to developer settings, and click on personal access token, and voila! This is a place where you can create a new authentication token for API integration. Let's create a new one. Generate. Okay, I need to validate it. Where is my phone? Okay. Okay, let's create a new token. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here is the place where you can write your token, API integration, right? It will work for, let's reduce it for 7 days. No, maybe for 1 month, because we will do more testing with it. Let's do it, select everything from instead of delete methods, audit, core base. How many settings? Oh my gosh. Let's generate token. Okay, token is created, right? Let me save it into configuration file. Done and close. And okay, done. Done. Okay, we created the token. Let me create the reminder to remove it. Where is GitHub project? Remove the token. All right. Okay, now we could try to make the first call to get information about merge requests. So where is it? Pull requests. Review requests. Get all requested reviewers. Request reviewers for pull request. Remove reviews. About review requests. What we should do here? We provide repo, owner, pull number. No. Let's check it. So let's copy and let's create a new function. So get pull requests, owner, project. It will be async function. Return, await, get with URL. Now we should provide the path. Okay, repo, and we should provide with headers. Now we need to connect environment file, GitHub, and let's reuse our function. Let's reuse our function owner. Who is on? Me is owner. So let's open GitHub project. Where is it? I lost GitHub project. Come on. Seriously? GitHub. Okay, so let's provide the name and let's provide the information about project. We work on GitHub integration. So let's copy this name. Sorry for noise from air conditioner because it's a little bit cold last days. And let's run node index.js. What we'll get? 4 or 4, not found. Okay. Not found. And it's very interesting how OctoKit works, at least for me. Installation. beer token. So token is not converted, or what? How it works? REST API endpoints for pull requests. And what we send requests? We send get. We send get to get or merge requests. All right. Okay, and it says what it doesn't exist yet. Message not found, not found, not found. But how I could found anything? Your profile. Let's check. Settings. Name is right. Let's make a commit. Git ignore, index, library, some additional files, and tsconfig. Let's create a merge request. Let's commit changes. Okay, and let's create a merge request in this project. GitHub, okay. Compare and create a new pull request, okay. Get pull requests. Let's check it one more time. Okay, what will happen if I remove this function and just provide the pure API token? Still not found. What will happen if I just provide process? Not found. Okay, what is wrong then? Let's compare. Probably the problem is in authentication method. And to investigate deeper this issue, I need to get information about Octo project. OctaKit, blah blah blah, not interesting. Scripts. Build, wait, globe, sources, index, OctaKit request. How do you make calls to? It's an image. It's in build. How do you generate request? Read file package is on. Up. No. I do not like it. Unfortunately, let's make Kuru. What? Let's change format. Accept. Let's change accept part, right? And let's change authorization part, and let's write bearer. Authorization must case you use bearer or token to pass token. However, if you passenger sound web token, you must use bearer. Okay, let's use bearer and let's try one more time. Note. Bad credentials. Okay, now it's much better. And let's try one more time. Let's use such prefix token and not found. B2 bad credentials. Okay, what is wrong with you? Bearer. Let me check one thing. Not found. What is wrong with you? Okay, not found, but MR is opened. What is wrong? Let's check. Okay, good news, we do not need to use B2 function, so we can make some improvements here. One and two, done. Let's check it one more time. Bad credentials, because by some reasons it is not accepted as parameter. Okay, not found. Let's maybe choose another one project. Let's use card. Why not? Let's copy it. Cansigliere card. Let's paste it and not found. There could be a reason what I generated the wrong key. Let's try it to change. Developer settings, token. Last used within the last week, expires 10. Let's create a new token from here. It's IP integration, resource owner cancelliere, 30 days, let's say 7 days. All repositories. Action administration. We need only read permissions. I do not see any reason to change any data. Read only. Read only. Read only. Read only. Come on, guys. Read and write. Read. 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 Read again. Almost done. Compile chat, compile email address, events, GitHub interaction knowledge, plain private profile, search. Yep. Okay. Let me generate the token. Alright, and let me use this token in environment file. Okay. So let's close it and let's close our terminal, run new terminal again. Source GitHub environment, and let's check node index.js. Not found. I do not understand what is wrong, really. Let's check it one more time. Profile and library. And library. We provide information about owner and repo. Owner, repo. Authorization is done. Let's check. It doesn't work. What could be a reason? Why I can't get API info from my GitHub repository? Let me see if you make a request to access a private resource or your request isn't properly authenticated, you will receive get response when you know what resource what you are using exists. You should check authentication. For example, using personal access token classic, you should ensure what token has scopes, what are required for my information. The owner has any permission required, for example, if used for only users. If you're using FileWriter, you should ensure what token has permissions it has. The resource of owner was specified to the machine's owner. Token has access, the owner let's check what we still have access for repos. Controller. What is wrong with you? Let's check it to repos. User, repos, and token. Let's try. I have no idea what is wrong. Token and let's check. Not found. Still not found. Source, GitHub, and done. Maybe we should remove content type. Let's remove it. Documentation found. Let's okay. In the GitHub, still not found. Why? I do not understand why. Why it doesn't work? Discipline points for issues. Let's make another function. Get repos owner repos, and let's use this one. Let's simplify it. Not found. Okay, what he did here? Com users color. Where do you provide notification? It's interesting. Access, get information about user. I think get user. What is wrong with you? Let's make some small correction. Open library, open get method, and let's do console log. Return all console log path. Check it. Okay, repos QANSIGLIERE. Okay, where is index? QANSIGLIERE. Okay, still nothing. Okay, let's remove this additional slash. It could be reason, why not? But it's not. Step number 1, let's print console log JSON stringify from headers, because maybe something is wrong in the header itself. Okay, the person what says talking classic GitHub up of okay. user agent. We have user agent. We have user agent. Let's copy such name. Just curious. Let's try to do any API request by provided example with curl. Let's copy it and let's do the following stuff. Your token is this one. Copy, paste. Okay. And user is QANSIGLIERE / repos. Organization. Get repository. Owner repo. List. Repositories for users, JavaScript and users. Okay, so let's change it. It works. And let me reproduce my code. Get repos. So we do this one and owner, save, get repos. So we do such stuff. Not found. But what the hell? Is URL the same? Users, QANSIGLIERE, repos. Yes, it's the same. Accept. Okay, I need to investigate what is the difference. What is the difference here? So request get. Is URL the same? Cancel. URL is the same. Okay, that's good. Now let's investigate header. Maybe the reason is in the header. Authorization. Beer, GitHub. The same. Interesting. So the difference is in only header. Is it right? What is wrong? Okay, I want to check in our case. Repos, QANSIGLIERE, GitHub. Okay, it works. It works, and I have no idea what is wrong with my script. Pause. Okay, let's copy this example. How we can debug what is wrong with my request? Let's use HTTP bin. HTTP bin. This endpoint could help us to investigate what is wrong. Get method. Try it out. Okay. So what we do here, we just remove URL and provide HTTP bin. And what we can see. Okay, and now we do the same stuff for GitHub. We put this one URL http save, and here we provide the path that I did repos, get repos, so we use just /get method, get, and what we do, we send need to do source github env node. Okay, let's see the difference. And so what we do here, let's remove this one key. Let's deactivate it. Okay. Okay, this one can be closed, and let's check the difference between this one request and mine. Okay, what we have? We have application. Let's copy it and let's paste it. So, application done. What is the next one step? Accept encoding. User agent. Just curious. Let's use curl. Just interesting. And we need to create a new key. Okay. Let's save it. Okay, let's connect new credentials. And let's make a request. Node index.js. Okay. Let's remove it. What is the next step? Let's check the lib and remove some parts. Done. Now here let's do surely I need to create a new one. Let's create another one. API. Okay. Another GitHub token. Save. Saved. Let's close this window. Let's run new terminal. Source GitHub. Connected. Now let's try to make a request. Node index.js. Also, get pull requests. Let's use this one. Let's save it and let's try it. Node. Oh, it works. But if I write, for instance, QANSIGLIERE, it works. Are you kidding me? What? I do not understand. What has changed? Why it started working? Okay, if it works, let me check this one. And it doesn't work. But if I copy curl, paste it, and make a request. Okay. All right. Get repos. Cart. pull requests. Alright. Finally we created the first method what really works. Okay, so we can't track all merge requests, right? We can see only opened merge requests and see here a lot of information. We see a lot of information. So what we have? We have ID, and this is only one object, the first one. Okay, so what was the task? I forgot. We need upload information about created merge requests. So let's find home, GitHub, and GitHub API. Okay. It is in progress, by the way. So let's close this one page, this one. Let's close all pages because I'm still shocked. Okay. Repositories. Get a list of repositories for the user. Cool. I think get repos owner users repos, and let's try. Why not repos? Let's remove it. Save. Let's remove it and run. It works. I have no idea how, but it works. What is the next step? The next step is let's add information about those methods. So first of all, let's provide details how to work with it, and let's this information here. After support, okay, how to use it. Create GitHub and let's provide information about GitHub URL. And about GitHub auth token. Okay, this one can be removed. And your API token. Also, GitHub. Okay, done. Next step, let's provide information about function. About function, repository, yes, repositories get information about all repositories for any specific user. So what we do here, we create new integration with GitHub, and we do here user name. Okay. Next one function is about pull requests, right? Pull requests. Merge pull list pull requests. Okay. Get all open pull requests for any specific repository. So we do get pull requests, and provide the name of repository. Let's paste this one, let's run, and it works. Okay, let's put it here. User name, repo name. Hello. Okay, I need to find additional information about all pull requests. Get a pull request, and we should use its number, list commits, list pull request files. You can list view edit create merge pull requests for review requests we need. Review comments, review requests. So we need to find pull requests, list of request drafts, will open public repositories, blah blah blah. Application insertion 0. Full, no. Token, user token, pull request, repository, parameters. Hello Roman, how are you? How's your Saturday? State, okay. Okay, we can filter them, but how we should provide this filter? State. State. Hello, statuses, pools, issues, pool. Sort per page. Okay, and how I can example response. Let's upload parameter state equal to all string query parameter. Okay, so pools state is all, right? Node.js. Okay, let's use cart, save, and it will be very huge JSON, right? What is more simple project? It will be my current one. Why not? Okay, save. Done. So here we should have only 2 objects because I didn't create it yet too much information. We have 1, 2. All right. And what about pagination? Indeed, GitHub. Okay, what I want to receive. I receive all right now repository pull requests. Okay. State. Okay, let's make it as parameter. State is all. Right, and here we provide state. Okay, in readme file, get all open and get all pull requests for any specific. Okay, next one is pagination. We want to see how pagination works. Okay, let's do a parameter and per page is 1. Save, and let's try it one more time. Let's see how its pagination work. Okay. We have one object and where I can see information about links, self, issue, comments. Pull. how you implemented pagination, because we need to do it. So we need to next on stuff, implement pagination in the library. Okay. Okay. Username type, sort. Direction per page. Pagination. Get will return only 30 issues. Repository event for repository. This makes responding the handles here. You can use the link header from the response. Okay, so let's use parameter true. And let's see how it works. How it works. JSON parser. Response header. Link. Are you kidding? What is this strange? Okay. Header from response to request additional if an endpoint supports per page. You can control how many results are use link issues. A link header will look like okay. All right. We have some progress. It's not ideal, but it works. It will be very heavy to solve, as understood, but at least we have something. Okay, let's copy it. What we want to change. Replace get methods on download. Plus pagination. Okay. At least we have some progress. Let's remove this parameter. Save. What else? We could do the following stuff. Let's do the following stuff. No. Let's create a subtask for it. Generate DTS files. Nice. Okay. Now we can commit our changes. we can close this merge request. Okay, we can create a new release. It will be version 002. And we can publish it. npm publish. And that's probably it. Let me remove GitHub key for sure. Okay, all keys are removed and the code is published. Let's open it. And let's check our npm page. 0000000 GitHub. Okay, I think it was a great progress, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to leave your comments, subscribe to the channel, and have a great week.